Hello, my name is Tony Bouwmeester and I want to show you how you can make an accurate fraction out of a decimal fraction with the help of Excel. And it is about the principle of continued fractions. This is the layout. You see a 1, you see a 1, you see here the fraction which I want to examine. This is round down with 0. This is E5, D6, E4. This is F5, D6, 4, 5. Here we see this formula. That is the rest of this and then the reciproc. This is round down again. This is the formula again. And so on and so on. You see this formula. You see that it discovers the normal fraction. When we do pi, we see this. The very famous fraction 355 divided by 113, also the known fraction 22 past 7. This is about 1/3. We can show that. Control V, you see, and that one's the more accurate. Number E shows a very, very nice pattern. 1, 2, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 6, 1, 1, 8, and it goes on and on with 1, 1, 10. We see a square root. Oh, wait a minute. Control C, square root, Control V, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, square root 3, Control V, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the golden ratio, we see all of them 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That was it. I hope you enjoy it, and it's just a very nice formula. Okay, bye.